Cleaning my house today. I'm putting order some stuff here. I find these two projects of accounting, one of my classes, when I was studying another master's degree. But then I transferred to Texas A&M, where I graduate with honor, of course. And yeah, I keep it. I keep it my best project all the time because I like to review what I did. Even though since 2008, I don't check this project at all. What is in my brain is in my brain. So I keep working in my personal financial as if I was a business. I always do that. So I just want to share with you the quality of my projects when I was in school. That is why I have an MBA, Master of Science, Master of Art, and Doctor in Higher Education. Yes, I have a plus Bachelor degree in Advertising Social Communication and another postgraduate from Technological University of Panamá. And that one is in Industrial Engineering, Top Level Management. Yes, I have how many degrees I have? 3 from Panama, 3 from United States, and accounting certification from UTA, and yeah, bunch of stuff. That is me. All school. Bye. Have a great day.